Next I'm going to teach the Viennese Waltz. Okay, so this one is quite a bit more challenging, in my opinion, right? A little bit of a history lesson about this. I think it's interesting. Before the waltz was the polka, and that's a very high energy dance if you've seen that video already. And then as the waltz became more developed and more popular, the normal waltz, not the Viennese waltz. It's a lot more slow and relaxed. And young people came together and realized they wanted something more high energy. So that's how the Viennese Waltz came about. The Viennese Waltz is, quite frankly, a much harder dance than your normal waltz. It's a lot faster, a lot more movement. So in this I will just be teaching 3 simple steps for you. Hope you enjoy. Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about the frame here again for the waltz. So guys, your right hand is again on the girl's shoulder blade. Girls, your hand though this time is going to be on the guy's deltoid, and you're going to be kind of pushing against each other a little bit more. Girls are going to be leaning back into the guy's hand and pushing against his deltoid right there, and a little bit of tension in your girl's right, guy's left hand as well, pushing against each other. So that way it's very easy to tell where each other is going. Also, you're a little bit more offset for this dance as well. Girls, be a little bit farther to the guy's right. Okay, the first step here will be the normal turn, and feel free to re-watch these as well, okay? So guys, you're going to be stepping forward on the right, to the side, back on the left, to the side, and then forward on the right again, okay? And make sure, this is really important, make sure you're again stepping in between each other's feet, okay? On step 1, okay? So guys stepping in between the girls' feet, girls stepping in between the guys' feet on 1 and 4, okay? So here we'll show you that, stepping between each other's feet. And so this is a little bit like a box if you know any waltz already, okay? So guys, step forward on the right side, back on the left side, forward on the right, okay? And then you just repeat that. Girls, you step back on the left, excuse me, then to the side, then forward on the right, then to the side, okay? So remember that pattern for this. Okay, so this is the side to sides. This is after you get dizzy of doing the normal turn. It's really simple. Just you start to the right, behind, replace, to the left, behind, replace, to the right. So that's for the guys. Girls, it's the same thing, but you start the other direction. Just behind, replace, side, behind, replace, side, behind, replace. Also notice as you do this, you can also travel a little bit down the floors. Makes it a little bit more interesting as well. So this reverse turn is very similar to the normal turn, except you start, instead of starting on the right foot for the guys, left foot for the girls, you start on the left foot for the guys, right foot for the girls. So it's switched, okay? So we'll show you a part right here. So start on the left foot, side, together, right, side, together. Okay, so feel free to replay that, okay? One important thing to note right here is the cross right here. It's right after stepping forward, both for the guys and the girls, okay? So it's girls cross after stepping forward. Now, guy steps forward and crosses, then girl steps forward and cross. See, girl steps forward and crosses, guy steps forward and crosses. Also notice you're spinning in the opposite direction. Opposite direction from the normal turn, that is. Okay, so here's a demo. In this demo, there's a few things to notice. Notice, number 1, that it's very fast. Okay, number 2, notice that step 1 is big. The other 2 steps are relatively small. Okay, thanks for listening.